Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT6, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe again from the top to extend the list of toggles. Obviously we're looking for the power saving toggle, so let's see if I can quickly find it. Oh, there we go. So it's right here, at least that's where it is for me. It's called power saving mode, though it's cut out. Anyway, it looks like a battery with a little lightning in it. Click on it. It lowers down the brightness just a tad. And there's also a couple additional things happening in the background which aren't specified. Though if we hold this, it might actually give us more insight. Yep, there we go. So power saving mode, we can select learn more. There we go. And this will give us a much more comprehensive list of things that are changed. Now, out of this one, primarily ones that are above will matter the most. So we have optimize system resources, limit background activity, disable lock for recent applications. I believe that it is the thing that you can do with apps so it doesn't close them when you're clearing all the apps. And it disables background syncing. Now this last option is the most important one. So disables background syncing. What that really means is that the device will turn off from Wi-Fi and the mobile data to preserve battery life. And that only happens when you're not using the device, so when it's in sleep mode like this. So because of it, your device wouldn't be syncing up any kind of notifications from, for instance, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and all that stuff, as these applications require internet connection, which background sync is disabled. Now, when you wake up the device, it should reconnect and see if it's missing something and then deliver it to you. But it also might mean that you need to open up the application and just kind of like, do the refresh yourself to see if you have anything missing. So like I said, a very crucial part right here that does affect this kind of mode quite a lot and obviously makes it or breaks it for some people. And it's just kind of glanced over by just being described as disables background syncing, which doesn't really give much of insight. Now additionally, below that we have a bunch of other additional options. You can go over all of these, just kind of see what they do. Some of them are just primarily the looks changes, so turn off hotspot, that one will be important, but then reduces brightness, refresh rates, edge lighting, image sharpening, video color boosting, HDR, and all that stuff. So it's nothing that you would actually miss out, that would actually break the usability of the device for you. Anyway, with that being said, once you're done using your power saving mode, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again, and obviously all the changes will be reverted back to the original state. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.